Hey guys, it's Ronaldo, your credit coach, with another weekly video. And this week I have an interesting scenario. We have a client who wants to buy a home. Middle score is 576. We need a 660. Here's your strategy. There are 3 collection accounts that need to be settled, 5 total collection accounts. My strategy is this. Let's not pay the collection accounts. Let's add a trade line because there's lack of credit. And let's see if that alone is going to boost up the credit score. We fast forward. We add the trade line. Score is now 662, 612, 596. We still need a 660. If we remove the verbiage from the first what if scenario, it'll drop the score from down to 609. We want the score to go up, not down. The strategy is this. We added the trade line, score went up. Let's settle the 3 collection accounts. Now we're about the verbiage in dispute for the other account because I could get 5 deletion letters. We added the trade line. Let's settle 3 collection accounts. Let's get 5 deletion letters. The second scenario, 612 to 674. Now they qualify. All this will be done this week, and I'll recap in about a week and let you guys know if everything went as successful and they are ready to qualify. See you guys soon.